Dear student, we shall learn the meaning of polynomials. Now look at this expression. Here you find the two terms in the expression. Here two terms, here two terms, here three terms, here three terms, here three terms. And here you find one term, one term, one term. All these are polynomials. Now, why they are polynomials? Now, what is the power of x here? 1. What is the power of y? 1. Even though power is not written, so the power of y is 1. Here power of x is 1. Even though it is not written, the power of x is 1. Here power of the x is 1. Here power of y is 1. Even if it not written, you have to take the power as 1. Power of x is 1. Power of z is 1. Here power of x is 1 plus 1. Here power of z is plus 2. Here power of y is plus 1. Here power of z is plus 1. Here power of z is plus 2. Power of y is plus 3. Here power of x is plus 2. Power of y3 is plus 3. Power of x is plus 2. Power of x is plus 1. Power of x is plus 1. Power of y is plus 1. So, in all these expressions, the variables have the integers as their powers or exponents. The variables here have positive integers as their powers, not negative integers. Positive integers as powers are exponent. Exponent and power means one and the same. Now you may think, why there is no variable here? Of course there is a variable, but this is considered as a constant polynomial. This is also considered as a constant polynomial. Here phi is considered as a constant polynomial. Then what do you actually mean by a polynomial? So polynomial is a algebraic expressions in which variable involved have positive integers as their powers or exponents. Once again repeat, polynomial is a algebraic expressions so in which variables involved have positive integers as their powers or exponents. Now I am going to read the definition of polynomial. An algebraic expression in which variables involved have positive integral exponents or power. An algebraic expression in which variables involved have positive integral exponents or power is known as a polynomial. Now look at this example. X by y plus 2 is not a polynomial. You may ask why x over y plus 2 is not a polynomial. Now I can write the term x over y as x multiplied by 1 by y, then this as it is. Now as per the law of exponent, the value of 1 by y is equal to y to the power of minus 1. When I multiply x by 1 by y, I can write this as x multiplied by y to the power of minus 1. So plus 2. Now as per the rule, as per the definition of polynomial, the variable should not have negative integers as its power. See, the power of y is minus 1. So therefore, x over y plus 2 is not a polynomial. Again, x to the power of minus 2 plus x is not a polynomial. Why? Because here the variable has negative integer as the power. So this expression is not a polynomial. Then what can we call? This is a mere expression. It cannot be called as a polynomial. Also x over y plus 2 is a mere expression, but it is not a polynomial. X to the power of 2 by 3 plus x to the power of 1 by over 3. So is not a polynomial. Why? Because the power of x is a fraction. Here power of x is a fraction, the rational numbers. So 2 by 3 is not an integer, 1 by 3 is not an integer. So this expression cannot be a polynomial. And what it can be? It can be a mere expression. Now you have seen the examples for polynomials. Now if polynomial contains only one term, what do you call such polynomials? Polynomials which contains only one term. If a polynomial contains only one term, so we are going to call it as a monomial. A polynomial which contains only one term is called a monomial. Example 4, 5 over 11, x, 6x, 8xy, 7x square y, yzx, 5x square, yz, etc. Now dear children, you have to be very careful when you look at this term. It looks like that this term is made up of three terms, y, z and x. See, in between y and z x, so you cannot see the positive or negative symbol. So it is a product. So it is considered a single term. This is also considered a single term. So you have to be very careful. Okay, this because this term this is a single term. This is a single term. Now let us go for the polynomial containing two terms. What do you call the polynomial containing two terms? So we called it as a binomial. A polynomial which contains two terms is called a binomial. Example 7 plus x, xy minus 7, 5xy minus 3x, 3x square minus 6xy, comma yz square plus 2x. So you find in between the terms the sign plus, minus, minus, minus or plus. So this separates the terms. So in this expression you find two terms. So this is called as a binomial. If a polynomial contains three terms, what do you call? We call this as a trinomial. A polynomial which contains three terms is called a trinomial. Example: 4 plus x plus y, 6x plus 15 minus y, ax square plus bx plus c, ax plus by plus 2. So these are all the examples for trinomial. Now if it contains more than 3 terms, like 4 terms, we can call that polynomial as a polynomial having 4 terms. So if a polynomial contains 5 terms, we can call this polynomial as a polynomial having 5 terms. Like that we can go on giving the name for the polynomials. Remember, the polynomial means the variables involved should have always the positive integers as their exponent. That is a very important thing you have to remember.